So the last time I talked about Ethereum, I made two videos down here while we were testing these long-term downtrending resistances. We finally broke out, and as you can see, we did take a major impulse move. So shout out to anyone that did watch those videos. So let's hop into the Ethereum chart and take a look at what's going on and what to expect going into 2025. Before we get into all that, none of this is financial advice. I'm not paid by the Ethereum team in any way. I am currently invested in Ethereum at the making of this video. And if you want to come trade with me or get access to our academy, community, trading floors, members only live streams, all of that stuff, there are limited seats available. You can go to EPIQ EPIQ, or click the link that's tagged in this video or the link in the description. So without further ado, roll the intro and let's get this video started. Now, at the exact moment, Ethereum will be considered overbought. We're up 73% on the short term. If you're looking at this from a trading perspective, you are just testing range high of 2024 at the moment. So the range high was at about 4,000. We've hit this major resistance. We're starting to round out. We're starting to see a bearish pivot signal, bearish crossover, and a little bit of being overbought on the MACD and CCI. Now, keep in mind, volume is inflowing heavily on the daily, which is very bullish to see going long term, but we do see some short-term weakness. So if this did want to pull back, you can use Old Faithful Fibonacci. This is going to give you some key levels. I would love to see this swing down under 3,000, potentially into the 2,700 range if they wanted to come down and test all the way here. Main reason being is that this is going to be a major long-term SR flip. So resistance, 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 resistance. We finally had that impulse move and we never tested this as a support. So if price want to come down and hold and test 27.56 as a support or anywhere in that range, that would be extremely bullish for me, and I would be considering that an ideal long-term DCA opportunity for an accumulation, especially if price starts to hold on the 78.60 and you continue to see the inflow of volume. That's going to be extremely bullish. Just off of that Fibonacci move itself, that could easily take price up to about 5,000. Now, if we were to test that 78.60 Fibonacci, that can easily swing price to about 5,891 in just one Fibonacci move. And ideally, I would love to see Ethereum hit that $9,000 to $10,000 range that is still in play based on the long-term Fibonacci from 2021 and through the bear run of 2022, 2023, and from what we've seen in 2024. So we could easily test this $9,000 to $10,000 range if price wants to continue. But we do have these major ranges and resistances we need to pass. So at this exact moment, I do see some weakness on Ethereum. I do think that we could slip down, but all in all, I'm extremely bullish going into 2025, especially when altcoin season takes off. There are a lot of altcoins that are built on Ethereum. So naturally, as a complementary and the main ecosystem, let's call it the host ecosystem and a network, it's going to reap the benefits, especially when it breaks that all-time high from 2021 at 4,835, and you actually start to go into price discovery mode. You could easily see this become a parabolic move. Like I said, if you want to come trade with me, go check out the EPIQ Trading Floor. And if you want to learn how to trade, we do have an academy that'll walk you from 0 to 100. So it'll teach you everything from the lingo to what's bearish, what's bullish, what's candlesticks, all the way to support, resistances, divergences, trends, reversals, Fibonacci's, sniper entries and exits, you name it. It's all included in the academy. If you learned anything in this video or want to stay up to date with Ethereum and other crypto projects, make sure to hit that subscribe button. If you learned anything in this video as well, hit the like button. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section as well. I'll be more than happy to answer them. I hope everyone has an amazing morning, afternoon, or evening, depending on wherever you tune in the world, and I'll see you in the next video.